scaffolding. Ito din, napag-usapan na din po ito natin, no? The teacher provides temporary support to students. Which of the following is not a characteristic of effective scaffolding? Would this be gradually removing support as students become more competent? Letter B, providing hints and prompts to guide learning. Letter C, allowing students to struggle without assistance. Or letter D, modeling desired behaviors or thought process. Sabi ni Coffee-Blooded English major, nag-self-review ako kasi I believe in the power of rest. At sa nakikita ko ngayon, sa mga naka face-to-face, wala silang rest. Buti na lang talaga nag-enroll ako sa GP. I don't have to force myself to wake up in the morning just to travel kilometers away. Yes naman. Okay, tumpak na choice of course natin dito now, which is not part of scaffolding. Tumpak na choice is letter C. Baka meron pong nabulag, baka meron nabulag, hinahanap po natin ay hindi example ng scaffolding. You remember scaffolding, di ba? Any guide, any aid, any help that you extend to your student, that is scaffolding, no? Pero eventually, inaalis mo po yan kapag medyo natututo na sila, unti-unti, aalisin mo, no, yung inyo pong scaffold para siyang pambalanse sa bike. Eventually, aalisin mo siya kapag natuto na siya mag-bike.